Hello, I'm Tylah Tully, and today I'm joined by Asian Battery Metals Managing Director Gan-Ochir Zunduisuren. Gan, before we get into your latest news, can you give us a brief overview of Asian Battery Metals' portfolio in Mongolia?
Of course, thank you, Tyler, for the introduction. Asian Battery Metals, we are recently listed last year in June 2024. We focused on critical minerals exploration in Mongolia, which, as you know, are well endowed with the natural resources. And our focus is currently copper, nickel, lithium, and graphite projects, all located in Mongolia, in areas with that has a good infrastructure and easier access for operation, and eventually in the future to access the market.
So, looking at your most recent news, you've confirmed high-grade mineralisation at Oval. What can you tell us here?
Oval is our flagship project at this stage. So this is a new discovery that we made in 2024 in Mongolia. New magmatic mafic intrusion-related copper nickel sulfide system. So for this type of mineralization in southwest part of Mongolia, this is a brand new discovery that we did. Last year, we had a good high-grade intercept in our drill holes. That was a drill hole 21, what we call it a discovery hole that drilled massive sulfide of 6% copper and more than 3% nickel over 8 meters. So we are continuing with our exploration this year in a phase 3 drilling program. We have recently announced that our assays are confirming the continuation of the high-grade mineralization within our oval intrusion, and also potentially suggesting there is a depth extension evidenced by the drill hole results by drill hole 32, which also intercepted 6 meters of mineralization, including half meters of massive sulfide in there. So it is quite encouraging at this stage. It's quite significant results for us to knowing that the mineralization is extending to the depth, almost 80 to 100 meters below where we usually intercepted the mineralization at this stage.
And you are still waiting on additional phase 3 assays, but what are the results? I know you've just touched on it there, but tell you about your broader geological model at this stage.
What we are intersected is in 33 or 33. It is a southeast extension of what we have intersected in high grade of drill hole 21. We intersected 27.7 meters of more than 1.3% copper, more than 8% nickel, plus 0.4 gram per ton PG plus gold. So it's quite incredible intercept, and has, in addition to this high grade zone, it also has a disseminated lower grade mineralization on both sides of the mineralization. So it is quite extensive mineralized drill hole that we intercepted this year. Also, we have intersected massive sulfide in north region, where it also returned more than 4% copper and more than 3% nickel. So overall, the massive sulfide grades are looking good. More importantly, this broad disseminated and net textured mineralization is providing very good economic grade at this stage.
So what are the next steps at the project, and what should investors keep an eye out for?
We just recently finished our 3,000 meters of drilling in phase 3 program, and the remaining assay results from some of the holes are still pending. Most likely will be released to the market within this month. That includes the drilling results from drill hole 36 and 40, which both of them extended the known massive sulfide mineralization zone in oval and in north oval. These are two different zones, few hundred meters apart from each other. Drill hole 36 in North Oval extended potentially massive sulfide mineralization by 130 meters further down depth. And then drill hole 40 intercepted 7 meters of massive sulfide, extending what we intercepted in drill hole 21 and 27 to the northeast direction. So these assay results are going to be back this month. And on top of that, we have just commenced our Samson EM ground-based electromagnetic survey. That survey is going to be working on the field and will be providing updates to us and generating targets for the next round of drilling. Now, also our regional drilling discovered some additional gabbroic intrusion, which is quite exciting for us because it's giving this footprint that potentially supporting the concept of the new district scale mineralization for this type of mineralization in the southwest part of Mongolia. And also we are expecting our initial metallurgical test results most likely coming in at the end of July. So plenty of news, plenty of work happening in Mongolia in the field, and the results are going to be available throughout the year.
Well, Gan, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Tylah.